Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for daily health and fitness tips. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of one of the most powerful exercises you can add to your daily routine: squats. That's right, we'll explore the transformative effects of doing 100 squats every day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Ready to reshape your body and unlock a host of health benefits? Let's dive deep into the world of squats. Join us as we embark on this exciting fitness journey. Let's get started. The power of squats. Squats are the quintessential workout for anyone looking to improve their physical condition without any equipment. They're much more than just a leg exercise. Squats engage multiple muscle groups across your body, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, gluteus, calves, and even your core, back, and shoulders. This comprehensive engagement helps improve your posture, strengthens your spine, and contributes to a balanced muscle development. But that's just scratching the surface. Performing squats regularly doesn't only sculpt your lower body. It also has the potential to eradicate cellulite, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall physique. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the specific benefits of adding squats to your daily routine. Bone health and metabolism. As we age, maintaining bone health becomes increasingly crucial. Squats are a dynamic way to counteract the natural weakening of our skeletal system. By stimulating bone growth and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, squats provide a solid foundation for a healthier, more resilient body. But there's more. Squats are metabolism boosters. They target large muscle groups, which means you'll burn more calories during each session. As your strength and endurance build, so does your body's ability to burn fat more efficiently, even at rest. The metabolic acceleration doesn't just stop when you step off the gym floor. It continues, contributing to a healthier, more active you around the clock. Let's not forget, consistent squatting enhances your physical capabilities, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. Flexibility, balance, and cardiovascular health. Many believe strength training restricts flexibility, but squats break this myth by enhancing your stretch capabilities. Embrace squats, and you'll discover improved flexibility, especially with weighted variations. But squats don't just make you more limber, they also fine-tune your balance. Whether it's mastering one-legged squats or simply refining your standard form, this exercise is key to a stable and agile physique. Furthermore, squats are a boon for your heart and lungs. They work wonders for your cardiovascular and respiratory systems, boosting endurance and ensuring every organ gets the oxygen-rich blood it needs. Dive into a routine of daily squats and watch as your body becomes a more efficient, endurance-powered machine. Daily squatting, a doable goal. Is squatting every day an attainable goal or a fast track to injury? Fitness experts agree. Daily squats can be a part of your routine if approached with mindfulness. The trick is in the moderation. Understand your body's limits, avoid overexertion, and allow time for recovery. Incorporating squats into your daily life, alongside a variety of exercises, ensures a well-rounded fitness regime without overwhelming your muscles. Now, how do you ensure you're squatting correctly to reap all these benefits and avoid common pitfalls? Mastering the perfect squat. Perfecting your squat technique is crucial to maximizing its benefits while minimizing the risk of injury. Start with a proper warm-up to get your muscles and joints ready for action. When squatting, maintain a straight gaze and upright posture to protect your spine. Lower yourself smoothly, avoiding jerks and sudden movements, and ensure your heels remain firmly planted on the ground. Balance is key. Distribute your weight evenly to ensure a stable and effective squat. Not sure if you're doing it right? Practice in front of a mirror or record your sessions to identify and correct any errors in form. Follow these guidelines, and you'll master the art of squatting in no time. Incorporating 100 squats into your daily routine can transform your body and health in ways you never imagined, from strengthening bones to boosting metabolism, improving flexibility, and enhancing cardiovascular health. The humble squat is a powerhouse of benefits. Remember, consistency is key, and proper form is essential. Start embracing squats today, and witness the incredible changes in your body and fitness levels. Thank you for joining us on this fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more health hacks. Stay active, stay healthy, and remember, building your anatomy with squats is not just an option, it's a pathway to a better you. See you in the next video.